Hello again from Värmdö, and I'm right now on this interesting wild beach spot here close to Boda and very close to the Grusbrottet Lagunen, the artificial lake that I visited earlier. It's out here on the nature, few nice rocks. I see also some very tiny pebble beach there that you can enter. That's under shadow. But you see, it's quite interesting indeed. And this is the Baltic Sea, and it's also very close to Vaxholm. And there is even also a ferry nearby that will take you from Värmdö to Vaxholm also. That passes by as well to Rindo, I believe so. So yes, out on the sea on this last day of July 31st. We have currently 21 degrees Celsius in the air. I'm not really sure the temperature of the sea, but I'm going to check it out shortly. So yes, beach the number 110 on my Sweden Beach Adventures this year, and it looks like there was some rain before as well, but it looks like some more is coming. But let's see how much more sunny it's going to be as I'm taking a swim here in the sea. So yeah, let's then get going. And I just love this kind of wild beach spots, especially that are out on the sea. As you can see, the sea is so clean and wonderful for a swim. So let's just find a nice way to get in here, because it is a bit tricky, as you can see. It's very dangerous to get down here, but I'm going to do my best to get down to the water without falling. Oh, there is a nice spot there to enjoy out on the sea. Almost there. Right. Quite nice indeed. It looks quite scary the way I went down, but I'm a pro at this. I have already been to even more dangerous spots than this. Alright, it's time for temperature check as you enjoy this beautiful nature. Let's check out the temperature in the Baltic Sea today. Yesterday I was also in Värmdö, but on the other side, on the open sea, it was 17 degrees Celsius. Here it looks like it's a bit warmer. So let's verify that. Slightly warmer. It is 18 degrees Celsius in the Baltic Sea. So that's what we are dealing with, which is quite nice if you ask me. And then let's enter this. Enter in the sea through the rocks here. Quite nice and refreshing. And yes, this is in Boda, out on Värmdö. There are not so many buses that traffic to here. It's only a few per day. So you need to plan your visit accordingly if you're coming by public transport. If you're coming by car, then you're free to leave and to come whenever you want, of course. All right, then let's enjoy the swim in the Baltic Sea on this 31st of July. Let's then go! Amazing. So beautiful. Look at that. Fantastic. Indeed. Alright, then it is time to swim a bit more. And yes, thank you so much for watching this episode with me from this wild rocky beach in Boda, Värmdö. And I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!